Hedgehog's Homestead. Today we are making chicken tenders, and we are making them so I can eat them. I have an issue with sodium affecting my blood pressure. So I am going to go ahead and make some low sodium, and I'm going to show you guys how to make some low sodium chicken tenders. So let's get to it. First, in a container like this, because I'm only doing 2 chicken breasts, I have buttermilk in here. Now the interesting thing about buttermilk, I heard somebody who was making a recipe, they were doing Kentucky Fried Chicken. And the interesting thing about that is they were doing a recipe for Kentucky Fried Chicken and doing it in an air fryer. That's wonderful. I'm doing this in an air fryer as well, so I won't have to fry these up. But the interesting thing about that is she said she soaked her stuff in buttermilk too, that buttermilk comes from making butter. Now there is a buttermilk that comes off of the butter that when you're making butter, homesteaders know that, but it is not the same as the buttermilk that you get in the store. So it's not the same as the buttermilk that you would be soaking your chicken tenders in, or your fried chicken in, or making your buttermilk biscuits. So make sure that you have not been ill-advised, because it won't turn out the same. Just trust me. Homesteaders figured this stuff out. So let's get on it. I'm going to cut up my chicken tenders and put them in the buttermilk and let them sit, and then we'll see you guys later for the rest of the process. Nice chicken tenders that are individually wrapped. And the great thing about that is that if the family is making a bunch of chicken, you can take that little vein out of there, the hard piece that buggers everything up. Okay, and then we're just going to cut these in nice little strips and stick them in the buttermilk. She was a good cook, this lady who is advising you guys wrongly. And she has a really cool Kentucky Fried Chicken recipe, which I might alter and make my own and make it safe for people to eat that have high blood pressure. Or I should say safer, you know? I'll cut these bigger ones in half, because this is a nice big chicken breast. Okay, we'll see you guys later. You don't need to see me cut up the second chicken breast, but that's what I'm doing with these guys. We'll see you guys tonight when we do the rest of the process. So it's dinner time, so we're gonna get moving, or almost dinner time. So we're gonna get moving on making our chicken nuggets or chicken strips. One of the things I noticed that there was 166 grams on, this is a powdered buttermilk mix that you just mix with water. I don't think I'll use it again, just because it's just a little bit high in sodium, and when you have other things in your meal than just chicken strips, it's okay. But you know, if you're going to eat chicken strips by itself, this is great. You can make, and I'll leave a recipe over here on how to make buttermilk out of just regular milk, so it has 0 to very low sodium with your to dip your chicken in. So from there, Okay, and this is for all these chicken strips. I'm probably gonna make that a little less than a cup. And then 1/4 cup flour. One-fourth cup flour. Sorry, that's more like a half a cup, so I'm going to take some of that away. Okay, and then I'm just going to whisk these together. But one more thing I'm going to add is Tony Cacciatari's, say that 100 times, seasoning salt, which is wonderful. If you do not have this and you're on a low sodium diet, run and go get it. We got this at Kroger's, which is also from Myers. So look for this. It just is absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna do a tablespoon of this. I've had it on burgers. I've had it on chicken before, and it's just amazing. Actually, I'm going to go 1 teaspoon. It's probably enough. And we spilled a little bit over, but you know. Now, by mixing the breadcrumbs and the flour, you're also getting less salt on it too. If you're using a breadcrumb that has sodium in it, but you can find breadcrumbs that are no sodium or very low sodium. Okay. So now we're just going to take, I have that mixed together. Now we're just going to take our chicken strips. They have the buttermilk on them. They'll mix really well. I turn it several times to get a nice layer of strips on there. Do you know that, sorry, this is a real household. Do you know that Colonel Sanders turns his chicken 14 times? So, and then we're putting it on our basket over here for the air fryer. And I don't know how long we need to put it in yet. I have to look that up on the air fryer. But mixing it all in. Okay, I'll be back when this goes in the air fryer, and we'll let you know the time and temp then. And we'll probably put some maybe potato wedges as well with this. We'll see you in a little bit. God bless, guys. All right, there you guys go. That's how they turned out. Very yummy. Um, sorry, there is no more because we ate the rest because they were good. So, we'll see. Sunny, do you want to do a taste test?
Another one?
How are they?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Amazing. Outstanding.
For low sodium.
Yep.
These literally have 500 grams less of sodium than the average recipe, and they still taste good.
Couldn't even tell the difference.
All right. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.